Por la duda yo a la gata no le pegué. A la gata vos la agarrás. Viste como que la agarrás y ya empieza a gritar. Viste, no sé, mamenga de mierda. Mirá, boluda, estoy cocinando. Ahí me voy a hacer un arroz, mirá. Ah, no, pero yo soy todo un chef. ¿Pero por qué te metes de vuelta?
Oh. Hello. Hello. Ahora que no ya esté y vea que estoy.
It's gonna be hot.
Bro, I guarantee you your head's gonna get stuck. Puta, mom.
Блять.
When your cat runs the maintenance man out of the apartment.
Leave me alone, kitty.
There's apparently a new filter, and you can see what your pets are thinking. So I'm gonna go over to my macaw and see.
May I have a chomp? Alright, thank you. Thank you so.
Hope you didn't pay full price for that boob job.
Actually, God gave me these for free. Looks like he gave me yours too.
Enculé.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Help me! Help me!
No sleeping at the table!
So apparently this is how oh, she fell. She's okay, she's just a little bit embarrassed. Hey, no bite.
You want the salmon? What's this? You want chicken or you want salmon? Which one you want? The chicken? Alright, bet.
Merv hates when Dad poops.
Merv.
Claws away. Claws away. Thank you. Claws away. Claws away. Claws away. You're bouncing a pickle.
She's actually bouncing her. Her leg's not going.
A lot of sometimes left-handed pitchers, they fall off to the left side.
Hi, baby. Oh, hello. Meow. Come here, baby. Oh, hello. Oh. What'd you see? Why are we running? Why are we running from?
Two words you probably never imagined you hear together. I just got these sweatshirts there.
DJ had an altercation. He brought in a lizard. And the lizard has attached itself to his ear. It's kind of a nice little earring you have. Oh, he let go. Lucky you.
Phoebe, honey, I'm locked out. Crack that window open, girl. Just reach for the latches. Phoebe, help. Help me. Help me. Get the latch. Go up here. Get the latch. Get the top.
You don't have a cat? So then who keeps you company while you poop?
They poop by themselves.
Привет.
Сынок, ты чего?
Stella, you missed a spot.
Шпротя, тебе видно. Я тебе бачу. Це що таке? Ти що тут робиш? Ану тікай звідсіля. Ти знаєш, що не можна. Ти знаєш, що мама буде кричати. І що ти там тулишся? Як птичка на віточці. Що ти робиш? На чому ти сидиш? Щас брикнешся. Диви, яка гадюка.
Speak English. I know you can speak English. I'll give you $100 if you speak English.
I found somebody's whisker lying around the house. Guess what? Now you're a unicorn.
Yo, oh, Yo, they want you to do the thing, man. They, Lou. They, do.
What are you guys doing in there? How many cats are
I got to walk into my sister's room, found a phone. I was about to take it out, realised this phone is disabled. Didn't know that. So I'm just gonna get out of it.